Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tasty tilapia fish in tomato sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients: you'll need a baked fish or a fried spiced fish. This recipe is already on my YouTube channel on how to make this type of fish. You'll also need oil 2 to 3 tablespoons, salt to taste, 3 blended tomatoes, 1 large blended onion. I will use 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato pure, crushed green chilies and coriander, curry powder 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. In a pan or a pot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up and add 1 blended large onion and cook it for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and continue stirring for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to add 3 large blended tomatoes and a bit of salt to taste and stir and let it cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato pure and mix everything well and nice and let the stew to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. And after some minutes, you're going to add ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of curry powder to add an extra amazing taste to the stew and let the stew to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. And lastly, add crushed green chilies and coriander about 1 tablespoon and stir and let the stew to cook till the tomatoes produce some oil and the stew becomes thick. Once the stew is thick like this and you see the tomatoes are producing some oil, then the stew is ready and remove the stew from the fire. At this point you have 2 options. You can put the fish in the pan to cook for 3 to 5 minutes, and the second option, you can just cut the fish with the tomato sauce and the fish is ready. And my tilapia fish in tomato sauce is ready. As you can see in the video, look how tasty and delicious the fish looks. You can serve along with some ugali, rice, bread or anything you prefer and enjoy your tilapia fish. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of fish, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.